So good morning students. Today we will move towards our next topic. Myself Mahendra Saini and introducing you about water resources engineering, classification of dam, and we are introducing today now earth dams. Okay. So what is earth dam? First of all, you can see you are seeing a picture here, cross section here. This overall cross section is known as earth dam. Okay, it is totally made up of earth, as name suggests, earth or soil. Okay, and all forces exerted on this dam it mainly due to the shear strength of the soil and totally resisted by the earth. Okay. The earth dam are usually built in wide valley having flat slopes at their abutments. Okay, and foundation required in this type of earth dam is not quite tough as compared to the other dams such as gravity dams. Okay, but in such cases where a large dam will be constructed, then foundation is strengthened by using special techniques. Okay, and usually this type of earth dam can be built on all types of foundation. Okay, and okay, in this diagram you can see here generally earth dam can be divided into different zones known as two types of zone: pervious zone and impervious zone. Okay, so this part between the shell both side, it is known as impervious zone or also known as core. On both sides, pervious zone is present in the form of earth material, and this portion is known as shell. Okay, so to separate this core zone from shell zone, or also known as shoulder or earth, or we can say here, to separate out the impervious zone from the pervious zone, a layer is constructed between them. It is known as filter. Okay, filter is provided here, and a cutoff wall is also provided. In the continuation of this core portion to the impervious stratum, that is, so we can say here this is a cutoff wall is a type of a foundation for particular core. Okay, which drawn to the impervious stratum. Okay, it is a solid layer beneath this dam. Okay, and there are two types of slope provided in each stream. In upstream, slope provided is 3:1, and in downstream 2.5:1. Okay, similarly In first type of earth dam, filter is provided in the downstream zone, and in case of this other type of earth dam, filter is provided in the sloping portion as well as in the bottom portion of the dam. Okay, so this is all about earth dam. We can further understand for about another dam in the next lecture. Thank you.